these two entry-level smartphones are known to be the cheapest and the best entry-level smartphones released this year 2019. So let's see how these smartphones works with their similarities and differences.
Hello techies! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, LizTech. Okay, so for today's video, we have another comparison and I got it from your requests, so I hope you guys will like this. We are going to compare these two entry-level smartphones here from Samsung A10 and Huawei Y6 Pro 2019. So let's see how these phones works with their similarities and differences. And I'm also hoping that you guys will watch till the end. Thank you so much, by the way, for your time for watching this video. And to those who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be the first to see my latest uploads. Okay guys, so without talking too much, let's now start this comparison. So let's check first their specifications. So let's see how they differ from each other, and after that, then we are going to go with the speed test, the draining test and charging test, then the camera testing, and the gaming performance. Okay?
Now first, let's talk about their design. As you can see guys, A10 and Y6 Pro 2019 are quite similar with each other when it comes to its build and design, since both have curvy plastic back cover and front glass. You can also see that both of these smartphones have the latest dewdrop design, which makes the screen looks bigger than the usual ones, and they have slimmer bezels. Samsung A10 has 6.2 inches screen display, while Y6 Pro 2019 has 6.09 inches. Now when it comes to the resolution, Samsung A10 and Y6 Pro 2019 have the same 720 by 1520 pixels, but their difference when it comes to thickness is Samsung A10 has 7.9mm thickness, while Y6 Pro 2019 has 8.0mm thickness. So Y6 Pro 2019 is a little bit thicker when you compare it to A10. Now when it comes to their weight, Samsung A10 has 168 grams, while Y6 Pro 2019 has 150 grams. So this time, Y6 Pro 2019 is lighter than Samsung A10. Now let's go directly to their OS and other features. These two entry-level smartphones runs on the same Android 9 version, but the advantage of Y6 Pro 2019 is that it has its own operating system as well, which is EMUI 9, that improves usability and provides a much simpler navigational experience for users. Both of these smartphones are different when it comes to their processors, since Samsung A10 is powered by octa-core processor, seated upon Exynos 7884 chipset, while Y6 Pro 2019 is powered by quad-core processor, seated upon MediaTek Helio A22. And now when it comes to their storage and RAM, Samsung A10 has 2GB RAM and 32GB internal storage, while Y6 Pro 2019 has 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage.
And now that you guys finally know their difference when it comes to their specifications, so now let's do the draining and charging test.
Yes, when it comes to batteries guys, Samsung A10 and Y6 Pro 2019 are a little bit different to each other, since Samsung A10 has 3,400 mAh battery capacity, while Y6 Pro 2019 has 3,020 mAh battery. Here you can see my charging and draining test. From 51% of their battery lives, I tried to charge both of these smartphones for 30 minutes and here's the result. A10 increased 69%, while Y6 Pro 2019 turned up to 85%. So here, obviously, Y6 Pro 2019 charged a little bit faster when you compare it to A10. Now here you can see my heating test and draining test. So before I use both of these smartphones, I tested their heating temperature. So Y6 Pro 2019 has 33 degrees Celsius and A10 has 32 degrees Celsius. Now after using and draining it for 30 minutes while using PUBG, Y6 Pro 2019 from 100% turned down to 93% and A10 turned down to 95%. And their heating turned up to 38 degrees and A10 turned out to 40 degrees. And now after draining another 30 minutes by playing PUBG, Y6 Pro 2019 decreased to 86%, and A10 decreased to 86% as well. Wow. So both of them ended up with the same percentage after 1 hour of draining their batteries. So after draining, both of them rise up to 40 degrees Celsius.
And now that we're done testing their batteries, let's go directly to their camera performance.
And now as far as the cameras are concerned, Samsung A10 has a 13 megapixel rear camera with 1.9 aperture with LED flash and 5 megapixel front camera, and Y6 Pro 2019 has 13 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera. So here on these clips, I will show you their camera performances, and it's all up to you if what can you say about it.
So this is the front camera of Samsung A10, and as you can see there, the quality is nice. It is not filtered as well, so quality is just natural for me. So still, the decision is yours. You can see it there, it's quality, so it's all up to you what you can say about its camera. Hello, so this is the front camera of Y6 Pro 2019. Yes, it's filtered, it's not natural, and you can see that my skin is enhanced. It is not also sharp. So again, it's all up to you if which one is best for you.
And now that we're done checking their camera performance, I hope you guys now finally see which one has a better camera performance in the rear and front camera. So now let's do another test, and this time it's speed testing.
And now when it comes to speed test, guys, I tried to open few different apps like Fruit Ninja, Subway Surfer, Granny, and Mobile Legend. And as you can see in there, in Fruit Ninja app, A10 opens faster than Y6 Pro. And the second app, same as usual. And the third app, again it's A10. And on the fourth app, it's A10 again. So obviously you can see it there that A10 has a better speed when you compare it to Y6 Pro 2019.
And now that we're done checking their speed, so let's check for its gaming.
And now the last but not the least is the gaming test. So actually guys, both of these smartphones are playable when it comes to Mobile Legend and PUBG. But in PUBG, it is better if you are going to play it with low graphics setting. But in Mobile Legend, they can be played in high graphics. Everything is smooth. The graphic quality is so nice. But I like it more in Samsung A10. It looks punchy when you compare it to Y6 Pro 2019. But actually, both are playable and soft touch. But one thing that I like about Samsung A10 is that its speaker is placed at the back, so it'll not be covered by your hands while playing your favorite games.
So of course, we are not going to end this video without my final verdict. So here is my final verdict.
Now here is my final verdict. When it comes to weight and design, guys, I like it more in Y6 Pro 2019 since it is not heavy and it is so comfortable to hold. It has cute glitters design at the back, but one thing that I don't like about it is how they place the speaker. You barely hear the sound of the game while playing since it is placed at the bottom. Unlike here in A10, it is placed at the back, so it cannot be covered up with your palm while playing games. But when it comes to resolution, guys, I like it more in A10. It is punchy, it is nice. I like its vividness as well. But when it comes to battery, guys, I like it more in Y6 Pro 2019 since it charges faster than A10 and it doesn't consume much of its battery life because of its battery optimizer. But when it comes to speed, guys, I like it more in A10 since it has faster speed compared to Y6 Pro 2019. And when it comes to camera, guys, I like it more in Samsung A10. As you can see on my sample shots, it's so nice, vibrant, clear focus in rear cam, and in front cam, it is also sharp, detailed, and clear than Y6 Pro 2019. And the last one in gaming, guys, both are playable in Mobile Legends, which is my favorite game, so I have no problem with it. All is good. It's all up to you if which one do you think is best. But for me, both of them are playable. No problem with that. So I think that's all, guys. So again, it's all up to you if which one do you think is best for you. Because for me, both are super sulit since both are just 6,990 pesos, guys. And their specs are really great. So for me, both of these smartphones are totally worth it.
There you have it, guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this comparison. So you already have your bet if which one stand out and which one got the best camera performance and best speed, even the gaming test. So it's all up to you guys if which one is still best for you. Feel free to comment your choice inside the comment section. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this comparison. I hope you guys learned from it and I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to leave thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video to your friends. And by the way, don't forget to join my giveaway Y6 Pro 2019. To know the mechanics, you just have to look for my video where I announce this Y6 Pro 2019 giveaway and just follow, of course, the mechanics. That's it, guys. And before we end this video, I would like to shout out Sherju, Sulaivan, Mark, John, Mendoza, hi, Demetrio, Zarati. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I also wanted to say thank you so much for my notification squad out there. Hi, thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much, everyone. And I hope to see you next review. Thank you and babush!